every now and again, I'm gifted with someone who is just really excited to be a part of MTD, and it's happening more and more, which I absolutely love, and Ryan is one of those people, so I thought I'd ask Ryan for the favor to go, hey, you mind sharing what you shared with me to the audience out there? And nice enough, Ryan was like, yeah, absolutely, let's do that. So Ryan, let's talk a little bit about MTD. You've watched our videos for a while now.
Oh, absolutely. So recently, graduated in 2020, first class of the pandemic, toilet paper crisis, you know how it goes. I kind of found my way into manufacturing about 6 months ago through Allendale, and they've given me this great opportunity to kind of be embodied by the manufacturing industry. And right away, I found MTD, and I've been watching your videos ever since, just keeping in touch on what the new machines are coming in and where customers are succeeding and where they're failing and where they think it's going. So I'm going to take that information and pass it along to my customers and see some success roll down the line.
Well, normally I'd end the conversation right there because he said everything that I wanted you guys to hear, but I like Ryan so much, I'm just going to keep talking to him. So, recent graduate, 6 months, you are the champion when it comes to 3D printing as well.
I wouldn't go that far, but that's okay.
Well, we're going to give him the accolades he deserves. We'll let him stay humble. 6 months in it, what do you think so far?
I couldn't imagine a better industry to be a part of, between the people, the technology, the constant change, and what better time? I mean, with manufacturing swinging back to America, I don't think I could have caught the wave at any better time.
Well said. Now, you're going to be probably more famous than Neil and John and Travis and the other guys we've had on the channel who you've been forwarding the emails. Now we can forward your video.
I don't think so, man. Slow and steady, maybe a few more, then I could get that recognition to, you know, meet Neil or maybe Trav's level.
Well, at least take this guy to dinner. He's done a great job. If not, MTD is going to do it.
Awesome.
Ryan, you're amazing. Thank you for doing that. I really do appreciate it.
I appreciate it anytime. Thanks for having me.